We're all excited this evening. We're launching PLP Project Tanzania, a project that's going to transform lives of Tanzanian youth, equipping them with the digital and future skills.
I implore every single person to apply for this program. It's a fully online program. It allows you to become a software developer. It has both theory as well as practical knowledge. It includes participants from across Africa. So you are exposed to everyone, not just in Tanzania.
Call for applications officially open. You can go and check out our website www.powerlandproject.org to apply, and we'll give you feedback by 30th of November whether you have qualified for the scholarship. Besides that, also follow us across all social media platforms at PLP Africa, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn and TikTok as well.